Students, now I am going to teach 9th standard physics lesson 1 measurement rules and conventions for writing SI units and their symbols. So first rule, the unit name after scientist are not written with a capital initial letter. The unit's name after scientist are not written with a capital initial letter. So unit name is Newton. So Newton is the unit of force. So force is derived by Sir Isaac Newton. So that after the scientist name they kept Newton as the unit of force. So the Newton is the after the scientist name, so that we should write only in small letters like that. Henry, Ampere. Ampere is the unit of current. So Ampere is the one of the scientists. He discovered current, so that they kept her name is a Ampere. So Ampere is not written with a capital letter, write only in small letter. So unit's name after scientist should not written with the initial letter capital letter. You should write only in small letters. Rule 2. The symbols of the unit's name after scientist should be written by only initial capital letter. So while writing symbols, the unit symbol is after the scientist name. For Newton is the scientist name. While writing the Newton symbol, you should write only capital N. Like that, H for Henry. Henry is the one of the scientist name. It's also unit name. So that we write symbols in H. Like that, Ampere. So Ampere by writing in symbol capital A. Rule 3. Small letters are used as a symbols for units, not derived from a proper noun. Example, M. Small m for meter, small kg for kilogram. Not for capital M, not for capital kg. Fourth point. No full stop and other punctuation marks should not be kept at the end of the units or symbols. Example, 50 meter is a correct. 50 meter dot is not a correct. So, writing the symbols, end of the symbol should not keep any punctuation like full stop, comma, upper symbol, anything you do not put. Rule 5. The symbols of the units are not expressed in plural form. You write only in singular form. Writing the symbols, 10 kg is correct. 10 kgs is not correct. So kg is a plural. Kgs is singular. Kgs is a plural. Should not write the plural. 10 meter is correct. 10 meters is not a correct. 10 hour is correct. 10 hours is not correct. So writing units, you should write only in plural form. You should write only in singular form. Should not write in a plural form. This is the fifth rule of the rules and conventions. Then rule 6. When temperature is expressed in Kelvin, the degree sign is not used. The degree sign is omitted. Example, 283 Kelvin. Temperature is measured to 283 Kelvin, not as a 283 degree Kelvin. While measuring temperature in Kelvin, degree symbol should not be used. Like that, while measuring temperature in degree Celsius, Kelvin symbol should not be used. This is the 6th rule. 7th rule, use of solidus. A solidus indicates the division. While we are writing the one unit, another unit, in between the two units, use only one division. Should not be used more than one division. Example, ms inverse 1 or meter per second. Here, meter, second, between, we used only one division. So, while writing one unit, another unit, between, you should only one solidus or division. should not use more than one solids or divisions. Eighth rule, the number and unit should be used by proper writing. While writing the units and number, in between the units and number, you should maintain some space. Example, 15 kg ms inverse 1. 15 some space kg ms inverse 1 is a correct. Not as a 15 kg ms inverse 1. In between the units and the numbers, give some space is not a more space. Point rule 9. Accepted symbol should be used while writing the unit of time. So unit of time is second, not as a SEC. Like that, unit of current is ampere, not as a amp. So only accepted symbol should be used while writing the units. Rule 10. The numerical value of physical quantity should be used in scientific form. Example, density of mercury should be written as 1.36 in 10 power 4 kilogram meter power minus 3, not as a 13,600 kg ms inverse 3.